Hi Pam, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for reaching out to my Facebook post. And I just wanted to make this quick educational video for you today. And I wanted to go over some things with you that will be able to help you boost your online presence and to boost your business overall. And at the end of this video, if you could give me some feedback, I would be greatly appreciated. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. I want to just go ahead and get into this. But first I have to say, oh my God, those are adorable. And hopefully one day my daughter and I will get to travel out there. And I would love to do that with her. I think that is so cute. Anyway, the things I want to go over with you today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is going to be made of anything that's on your front page here. Any wording that you use, any photos that you use, what's behind those photos, and how they're saved all makes up your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Within that content, you want to be able to add the keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product in your content. And you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would end up being a big help. Now, I would definitely recommend being able to add more wording on the front page, so that way we are able to implement more and more keywords for your business to be found. Now, I did input your website into a tool that I use, and this is then able to tell me what your strength and trust is with Google. Now, I don't know if it's maybe you have like a newer website, but those are some things that we need to definitely work on to be able to get your business building that trust and building that strength. Now, another thing I'm able to see is backlinks. Now, you have two backlinks right now coming from one referring domain. And what a backlink is anywhere that you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are the same. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative and will bring power to your website. Another thing is we got to see what keywords other people are using that we're going to be able to help implement into your website and help you rank on those and build up. In a few moments, I will show you a competitor in the area, and we will be able to compare what's going on with those. So let's take a look at Google here, and I typed in photographer New Hampshire. But I mean, there's all sorts of stuff that we'll be able to look for because of your service areas and what you do offer. But this is one of the areas I looked for you. So normally there are ads up at the top, and I don't know if anybody's not running ads or what's going on, but there's no ads in that area. But the next thing I do want to go over with you is called the map pack. So this is super imperative to come up in, and what this is going to do is going to give you more traffic. So 30 to 40% of traffic here goes right to your website, or they give you a call straight from the map pack. And there are ways to go about increasing your ranking. So you want to make sure you have a ton of reviews. Make sure that everything on your Google business profile is filled out, that the 750 words in your about section is all filled out. And I would definitely recommend implementing keywords into that about us section as well. Now, the next thing, you want to be very responsive to your reviews and your messages. And make sure you want to keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos, and that's all going to help with your relevance. Now, another important thing to go over today is citations. And that's with your business name, address, and phone number, and things like Yellow Pages, Yelp. And by going out to giving your information to as many people as possible, that's also going to increase your relevance and then helps with your website as well. Now, if we move down to the organics here, this is another thing that you want to be able to move your website up in. And utilizing these three things, this will help you be able to rank on the organics listing as well. Now, as I was saying, I was going to show you one of the competitors in the area, and this is just a photographer I pulled up. I was able to put their website into Ahrefs as well, and they have that strength and that trust being built up, so that's definitely something we want to work on with your website. They also have over 1,000 backlinks coming from 296 domains, Now, what we want to be able to do is be able to implement the same backlinks that they are using, but we also want to get you even more than what your competition has to make your strength and trust with Google even better. Now, here they have over 1,000 keywords, which is bringing them 380 people to their website monthly. So we're able to then see what types of keywords they're using, what types of keywords you're going to want to implement into your page as well. You're able to see what that ranking is, the rankings over here, and then how many people are actually searching for that. So if we take a look, New Hampshire wedding photographers, I know wedding is not one of your things, but it shows you that they have a 400 volume and that they're in the #1 position. So we want to definitely be able to implement types of keywords, get you ranking for those keywords as well. Now, once you start getting ranked for that keyword, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your website, and a percentage of that is going to give you a call. It's going to depend on your closing rate, but that can turn into business for you. Now, again, I would like to say thank you for letting me send over this quick video. I would love to set up a phone appointment with you so we can just chat more about your business and what is needed. And if you are interested in any of these services, we can look into ways to be able to fill in some of the gaps for you. Thank you again, Pam. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.